Win, of course, syempre, nasabi ko nga, we were so proud of you. Sinalubong pa kita sa airport noon when you brought home the crown. Is that a life na, kumbaga, nilagay mo na sa shelf? O sa tingin mo, pwede ka pang sumali in the future? Knowing na, syempre, di ba, yung mga pageants ngayon, nagiging parang, nag-ease up when it comes to the requirements.
Oo nga. Alam mo, kasi ang sarap sumali, ang sarap bumalik sa stage, diba? Pero if priority-wise, parang ang hirap din na sasali ako tapos may anak ako and I love my job and I have to sacrifice everything again. Lahat na yun. So siguro for now, I don't see myself joining. Kasi nga, diba, wala nang age limit, pwede na rin.
Oo. Ano mo sasabi mo doon na parang tinanggal na yung age limit?
Ako, syempre, okay sa akin. Pero sana merong certain, wag naman yung age limit. Sana may sabihin sila specific age. We at 40. Diba? Kasi baka mamaya ma-blow out of proportion. I don't know kung depende sa pagkaintindi ng mga tao, diba? Pero I feel like now they understand din kung ano talaga ang babae na binibigyan ng opportunity to join again. Kasi even if you're 35 or 36, iba yung maturity ng ganong babae. Ang daming may impart sa stage ng pageantry, diba? Like what you said, it comes with age. Kung ano yung tanong sa kanya, baka iba yung sasabihin niya na pwede talagang makinig yung mga tao and yung pinagdaanan niya. I mean, 18 years old na babae, marami rin pwedeng pagdaanan. Pero, diba, hindi
pero
pa natin...
when it comes to experience kasi, marami nang napagdaanan. And then, how much more yung hindi lang sa age. Pwedeng, kasi ngayon, diba, pwede nang sumali even yung mga nanay na.
Yes. Ako excited ako. Kasi, diba, yung Miss Universe Philippines, may moms na rin na sumali.
Yes.
Oo, so it was really exciting to watch for me. And, syempre, pro ako doon kasi mommy ako. May times din na sana yung dream na yon hindi pa na shatter, pwede akong sumali, which is nice. So, pero as for me, I don't know if I'm gonna join. I don't know. Hindi ko pa siya, it's not on top of my head. Kaya lang ito si Michelle, tinag pa ako sa... Siyempre, na-excite na din naman ako. Pero
But do you see yourself joining, siguro, in the future?
I want to. Maybe. In the future. Not now. Siguro. Kung malaki-laki na yung anak ko. Diba? Well, I'm saying that now. I don't know.
Baka next year. Diba? Or 2 years from now.
I don't know. I don't know. Kasi
hindi natin masabi.
Ang nasa isip ko ngayon, wala naman na mawawala sa akin.
Yeah.
Wala naman mawawala sa akin because I'm happy where I am. I have a daughter. I love, my family is okay na. Nakamit ko na yung crown ng, international crown.
Na-inspire mo. Totoo.
Oo,
Ito, Win, controversial to. Inallow nila yung mga transgender to join Miss Universe, to be specific about it. Anong masasabi mo doon?
Alam mo, kasi before, I said parang hindi ako okay doon. Sinabi ko before, I think 2017 din yun na sinabi ko. Pero now kasi, I think I have to admit to what I said na mali din yun kasi I wasn't really sure pa sa mga nangyayari. Hindi ko pinag-aralan lahat na nangyayari. When I educated myself sa lahat na LGBTQ, IA+, everything, actually, I'm okay with it now. I'm really okay with it. Inclusivity and everything. They're women, eh. They're proud women, and they're given that chance to join, then why not? Diba?
Oh, that's true. That is true. Ito, ano ang opinion mo sa pagtanggal ng swimsuit competition sa mga pageants?
Kasi I think narinig ko yung sinabi ni Tia, ang swimsuit competition kasi is for, to show na you're physically prepared, that you're physically fit,
Uy, yung preparedness na yan, pinaghahandaan niya ng ilang buwan, ha? Yung in fact, for some taon, ha? It's really something that you can really brag about. Kasi hindi ka naman pinanganak na gano'n na di ba?
Oo. I think actually, torn ako dyan eh. Torn ako doon. Pero kasi there are some people talaga that, ang sad kasi that some people really objectify women, lalo na pag naka-swimsuit.
Naka-swimsuit.
Diba
Totoo
kasi,
yan. Totoo yan.
Pero yung mga ganong tao, dapat ibahin rin nila yung mindset nila.
Oo.
Kasi di ba pag nakikita nila, I don't know, I'm really torn about it kasi for me, the swimsuit competition is about showing that you are proud of your body, whatever size, whatever build that is. Yun nga, if you prepared for it. Pero I hope they find a way na pwede silang maghanap ng ibang segment for that. Maybe sportswear, diba?
Yes.
Para lang makita na you really prepared for the pageant. So,
nakakatuwa, no? Nakakatuwa na, you know, yung the way we view pageants now, iba na from as compared to so many years ago, di ba? Like sabi mo nga, mas pro-women na ngayon yung mga pageants.
Yes. Siguro kasi hindi na rin, ngayon kasi you have to really be as, good speaker and you have to have the advocacy.
Na hindi lang katawan, di ba?
Hindi lang katawan eh. Hindi lang katawan yun eh. So, okay na yung pag-evolve ng pageanting ngayon kasi makikita mo na talaga yung mga girls. Talagang, yung advocacy talaga nila pinupush nila. Which is, ang sarap panoorin talaga. Pag ako nanonood ng pageant ngayon, yun yung inaabangan ko eh. Kung ano pa na nila i-explain, kung alam ba nila yung sinasabi nila. So it's all about, yun nga, hindi na yan yung physical talaga.
Beauty and 'di ba, beauty inside out talagang ipinapakita mo talaga eh. Ikaw ba pag dumating ang panahon, papayag ka sumali ng si Luna ng pageant?
Oh my gosh.
Since pinangungunahan naman na natin kanina pa eh.
Oo, if she wants to, yes, pero kailangan ko siyang kausapin mabuti kasi iba ang pageantry world eh. They will judge you talaga every angle, kahit lahat.
Alam mo yung tingin ko nga dyan, kung di matibay yung loob mo. Wala. Kasi, di ba, iba yung, pag artista ka kasi, di ba, parang, gagawa ka lang ng pelikula or gagawa ka ng serye and papanoorin ka and then, they gossip about you on the side or pag-uusapan ka nila and that's it. Pero ito, tatayo ka and, di ba, parang, bukod doon sa judges, mas marami pang nanonood na ginajudge ka.
Oo, totoo yun. Na parang, syempre, pag nag-pageant ka, lahat itsura mo, pananalita mo, paano ka maglakad, paano ka manamit, yung makeup mo, yung buhok mo. So, parang nakakatakot. If hindi ka buong buo na sumali ng pageant, I don't think it's for you. Kasi talagang ang hirap pagdaanan yan. So, if Luna decides to join, I have to talk to her first.
And talagang, I'm sure marami kang mai-impart dyan.
Yeah. Malay
mo, pine-prepare ka, katulad nung sa love life mo, pine-prepare ka rin para maging trainer ni Luna.
Oh my gosh! Pero it goes up to everyone who wants to join pageantry. Dapat 110% ready ka for anything na itapon sa'yo.